Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running up.
Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. So I'm going to be participating in Vlogmas this year. It's basically a thing that all YouTubers do, and it's where you post a video every single day from December 1st to December 25th. I have so many great ideas. I'm really excited to do this. I'm going to start Vlogmas Day 1 out with a vlog, just a day in the life vlog. And today I just woke up. I dropped my husband off to work because he is getting new tires in his car. And then I came home and I worked out and made coffee and showered and got ready, and that's where I am right now. And now I'm going to get to work because I'm working from home today and I have a lot of emails to answer because I'm coming back from a holiday break, and I work in an international law firm, and none of the other law firms that I work with, since they're not in America, they don't have Thanksgiving break. So I have a bunch of emails to catch up on. About 5:30 and I'm ending my day now. I pretty much worked all day straight from about 8:30 to now because I was just so in the zone. I got so much done. It was really good. But it's 5:41 and I want to just turn off my computer. I actually saw on my security camera that my HelloFresh box just arrived. So I'm going to show you guys what's in it. I know last week I showed you what was in my Blue Apron box. So I guess let's go do a HelloFresh unboxing and see what I got to eat this week and what I'll be cooking for dinner tonight. I just got my HelloFresh box from the front porch. It always comes packaged with this thermal wrap. Is that what you call this? I don't know what it's called. I know I get a lot of complaints about audio on my channel, so I hope the crinkling isn't awful for you guys. But I really wanted to show you exactly how they package everything because I was so shocked when I opened Blue Apron that not all meal delivery kits do this. So I love the way HelloFresh packs their food because they give you the entire meal, everything you need except the meat, in this one bag. There's no extra produce, there's nothing extra, it's just this. And then HelloFresh always packages their meat in ice or some sort of cool type of cool pack. So this ice pack was on top of the meat, so it keeps the meat separate and cool. If this is out like all day in the summer, it might thaw, but I mean right now it is cold November, December weather, and I just got this box about, you know, 10-15 minutes ago it was dropped off. HelloFresh often includes fun little treats and snacks. I have never had this AHA sparkling water before, so I guess I'll get to try it out. And this video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but I do have an affiliate link. If you want to get $40 off your first HelloFresh box, you can use my link down in the description box below. I have been using HelloFresh for so many months. I highly recommend it. So this is everything that came in the HelloFresh box today. 5 meals, as you can see, in 5 separate brown bags. The drink I was talking about, the extra snacks, and these are the 2 recipes I'm going to be cooking tonight. I'm going to meal prep this mac and cheese, and we are going to eat this fish for dinner tonight. I have the fish just in a plate. The square plates we use in our house are for meat, and then we have round ones which we use just for dinner, normal dinner plates. And then I put the rest of the meat in bags. I just like to bag all of the meat because I'm pretty just OCD about that. And the nacho mac and cheese is a vegetarian meal. So I will be able to meal prep this, eat this for dinner tonight, and then we'll have this for dinner again tomorrow night. And we will have some nacho mac and cheese for lunches. One thing I love about HelloFresh is it kind of gives you a estimate of how long it's gonna take. I can see this one is gonna take me 40 minutes. So I wanted to make sure that the meal prepping meal I was gonna make was gonna be quick. So I can see this is 25 minutes. The rest of them were 45 minutes, 30 minutes, and 40 minutes. So that's why I chose the fish and the 25-minute meal. And anytime I get fish, I like to eat that one first, which is why we are eating the fish tonight. Really quick before I started to cook dinner, I wanted to wrap some presents. For some of the items, I just have to use random Amazon boxes that I have. Oh no, are these not gonna fit? I'm trying to get these gloves to fit. I think I'm gonna bend the cardboard, unfortunately. There we go. I'm gonna use some packing tape to just make sure it stays somewhat closed. Now this is gonna be so annoying to open, but at least it's going to be easier to wrap for me. Stay, maybe. My husband just texted me that he got done with work early, so I'm gonna go pick him up and go get his car with his new tires. I'll check in with you guys when I get home. Zan, come here and be really cute. Oh, you brought me a toy? You're kind of running into things, don't get hurt. Oh, you did that shake thing, that's really cute. So today the first thing I'm going to cook is this tropical sunset barramundi, and it is supposed to take 40 minutes and 10 minutes of prep. Are you gonna be okay with that? 40 minutes. You can play a game to pass the time. Have a snack.
Puppy dog.
And I'm gonna start with number 1, which is to wash and dry all the produce, preheat the oven, and prep all the produce. I have preheated the oven, and I'm just gonna wash all the produce. They say to drain the pineapple. I don't want this to spill everywhere. So I'm just gonna dump my pineapple over here and chop it up roughly, doing some rough pineapple chopping. I actually don't use olive oil, I use avocado oil because I read somewhere it's better for you. If that's not true, then I have just been buying olive oil or avocado oil for no reason. It's so easy to toss when you just have it in a bowl. A lot of people waste a plastic bag for this, but you should just do it in a bowl. It's more eco-friendly because you can wash and reuse this bowl. I've got my baking sheet right here. I always like to use these silicone mats. This silicone mat will make it so that none of my food sticks to the bottom, and it's really easy. It just comes right off with this. And you don't have to put a ton of extra oil or spray or anything. I'm gonna spread out the carrots as evenly as I can. And now I am just gonna stick this into the oven. I can't remember if I was supposed to do top rack or middle rack. Well, I was supposed to do the top rack, so I'm gonna grab an oven mitt and switch that out real quick. Alexa, set a 25-minute carrot timer.
Carrot timer, 25 minutes, starting now.
Now I am going to work on the rice. This is about half a cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Once this pot is boiling, I'm going to add in the rice and just cook it for 15 minutes. And now I am going to combine my pineapple, scallions, and lime juice and salt and pepper. I think it's what is on the picture in top. All right, so I'm gonna cook the fish now. First, I'm just gonna preheat the pan for a couple minutes and then heat up some avocado oil. I'm going to add all of the pieces of fish skin side down since that's what I've already seasoned. and I'm gonna cook about 5 minutes and then maybe 3 minutes on the other side. Now that my fish is skin side down, I can actually just season the other side by sprinkling salt and pepper right onto them while they are in the pan. And it's just a little bit less touching of the fish, which I like and appreciate. So I always use this trick. So HelloFresh says that you can use the same pan to cook the sauce in, but I'm gonna use a fresh pan that's a little bit smaller, and I'm just gonna mix up some coconut milk and chili sauce. I can tell this is gonna be a really good sauce. I've plated up the fish and it did get a little bit shredded, but that's okay. I'm gonna add some rice to our plate. Of course, I've got to add the vegetable. This sauce looks really good. I just poured it into this Pyrex container and I'm kind of pouring it over the fish. Wow, it kind of spilled everywhere, but I'm sure it's gonna taste really good. And the pineapple salsa also looks super good. This almost is a Hawaiian style meal, and I feel like I haven't had that in a long time. Just with the pineapple and the fish and the rice. It looks super good. I'm excited. That was his favorite part. Tom is being the best husband ever, and he's gonna chop and prep all the produce for me because I'm gonna meal prep this meal called Epic Nacho Mac and Cheese. My battery is going to die, but my house is complete chaos right now.
We don't have a camera. Yes, we do.
They're not supposed to be running in the house, by the way, because that is how he broke his finger. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because my house is chaos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.